कानोळे वाठारात कितलीशींच वर्सां जाली जो बांद आशिल्लो तो सगळे कडेन फुटिल्लो। दर्याचे खारें उदक भितर येवन शेतां पिड्ड्यार जाताली। तो पुराय बांद बांदून घेतिल्लो आसा। 4,07,00,000 मोडून हो बांद बांदून घेतला म्हूण कलंगूटचो आमदार मायकल लोबो उलयला। RDX गोवा खातीर कानोळच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
The barn, which is such a beautiful part of Kandolim, and we had requested our MLA, I think before me, the Panchayat had asked our MLA to go up the barn because it had collapsed 40 years back, I think. So, it has been 40 years back. Yeah. So, and with a lot of pushing and asking the government, our MLA arranged the finance for it through the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, and the work had started. But due to some small litigations which were put in the court, the work is stopped. But when the work was stopped, we found that a lot of people come for fishing, a lot of youngsters be around this barn, and then there was garbage. Automatically you get garbage on the barn. So when we came, we said, let us at least do a cleaning drive of the barn and keep it at least once a week. We sent some people to clean it, and then I approached Axis Bank manager Clyde. I think he's around. Clyde, please come in front. So Axis Bank manager told me with the Panchayat, he is willing to support us in cleaning the barn and doing cleaning of the river.
I remind sir once again to please go ahead with this walking track. Secondly, we have applied for dredging of the Poi. If you see waist deep, Chikol is there. Shirodkar is here. He knows about it. So I request our MLA, please push the file so that if the Poi is dredged, not a single drop of water will enter the field. Then there will be no salinity in the field, and we can cultivate our fields like our old times.
So what we are trying to do is we are trying to look at the root cause analysis. What is the basic problem? Luckily, Goa is a well-endowed place. I don't think there are many disasters. But then we are working towards, like very rightly the Sarpanch said, we are working to a more progressive way to think how we can improve the environment. Now, when we talk about the farming part, the farming is going to be excellent approach, not only for Goa, but Kandolim is going to be a role model for a lot of other panchayats.
जो बांद हिंगासोर इतली वर्साचो बांद आनी रिवराक तेकोन हो बांद हो ब्रिज जाल्लो सगळे कडेन फुटलेलो आनी थिंगासरले उदक भितर येताले आख्खे शेतांनी भितर येताले तो आख्खो आयज बांदून घेतलेलो आहा 4.7 crores आमी गव्हर्मेंटान स्पेंड केले आतां तेचे वयर बरो यूज जावचो म्हणून बांदाचो आमी हिंगासर तेकोन बांदाक इंटरलॉकिंग पेवर्स घालूंक सोदता की लोकांनी मेन रोडार चलत जाल्यार लोक भियेता एक्सिडंट जाता म्हणटा कंट्री फाटल्यान हाडून मारता ट्युरिस्ट थोडे जाण केन्नाय पियोन चलयता गाडी सो हो बेस्ट जागो चलपाक आनी त्या खातीर आमचे कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी फोरम जे आहा तेंच्यांनी हो मॅटर कोर्टान येल्लो एनजीटीन हांव ब्लेजाक रिक्वेस्ट करता ताणें मिटींग लावची तेंचे let us sit together on one table and we will work out a solution what apprehension they are having की हे बांदार ब्युटिफिकेशन जावचें न्हू आमी हो बांद कमर्शियलायज करूंक सोदिना कमर्शियलायज म्हणजे हिंगा हाडून 50 शॉपां घातली आनी ती भाड्याक दिली तल्लें ना हो बांद कांदोलीच्या लोकांक लोकल लोकांक फुडें स्ट्रेट चलपाक मेळलो कितलो मोर देन 1.5 किलोमीटर चलोंक मेळटलें स्ट्रेट सारखे आनी एक वाटेन सगळे मॅनग्रोव्स आहा मॅनग्रोव्स कट करिना चुकोन आतां रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदतना घोडे 1-2 पडले आसतल्यो कातरूंक ना त्यो पडले आसतल्यो कोणाकूच मॅनग्रोव हिंगासर कातरपाचे हे ना ऑब्जेक्शन सारखे आसपाक जाय म्हणजे ते कितें उलयता पळय ते कायदेशीर बसपाक जाय आनी ते सायडीन WRDन आनीक 3,70,00,000 पास केला न्हू 3,30,30,00,000 हो बांद ब्युटिफाय करपाक 3,30,00,000 आनीक सँक्शन आहा वर्क ऑर्डर दिल्ली आहा कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर फाटल्यान उबो रावला पळय काम चालू करपाक सो सगळे आमचे कडेन अशें ना की सँक्शन जातले पयशे ना अजुनी फायनान्सान फायल उरल्या शिरकोन तल्ले कांय ना सगळे एप्रूव्ड आहा बरें इंटरलॉकिंग पेवर घालीत जाल्यार फोरमाचे जे कोण मेंबर आहा, जे एल्डरली आहा, और येवन तेंचे भुरगे आहात, तेंका हिंगासर भोवंक मेवतले.